going on, guys? Today I bring you guys a 27-7, I believe, victory. I'm using the PDW 57, no attachments, no perks, and basically, yeah, I'm just no attachments, no perks. Secondary pistol was a 5.7, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And today, let this load up really quickly. And then we can, there we go. And yeah, it's PDW. And today I want to be talking about one of my ghost stories. Yeah. Ooh. And basically this is a true ghost story, guys. It really did happen to me. I really talk about it a lot to some of my friends that actually will believe me. So let's go. By the way, guys, I was playing with a whole bunch of noobs in this lobby. They're really big noobs. So, basically, my dad's cousin had a house with his wife and their kids, you know. And one night, you know, we was living with them at the time, and basically, we were just living with them, and you know, nothing really happened. Until this time. About 2 months later, we ended up staying with them for like two months. And then me and my aunt Lisa, we actually found this weird hole underneath the house that everyone knew about, but me and Lisa was just figuring it out. So we were just figuring it out, but like, all right, whatever. Cause Mom, she had to go help someone clean it, and she found out about it. So basically, everyone went down there. They all had a story. Like two of these guys, they said like one night we heard them scream from down there. It was like the last room. Like you go in the kitchen, and then there's like a little sliding door, and you go downstairs, and there's like this little hole. And actually, my cousin Apples, that was her name, she used to live right where the hole was, and I don't know how she did it, honestly, because that hole is freaking creepy. Like, seriously. Also, okay, so one night, like, we, our cousins, my cousins both, I guess they went in there to throw the garbage out or something like that. I'm not sure what they did, but, all I did was hear them scream, and it was creepy. They screamed, and then like my Aunt Lisa came downstairs. They ended up sleeping and not telling us what they saw or what happened. In this particular, yes, they never told us what happened. They just screamed, and they never talked about it. Till to this day, they don't talk about it. The only thing that happened to me down there was, you know, I was walking to, this was my first time going in there, and I saw a shadow, actually on the wall when you first walk in, and I kind of walked right out, pretended like I never saw it. It was weird, and one night my cousin Apples is like, she wakes me up, and she's like, hey, come on, stay up with me, and I'm like, why? And she's like, I don't know, there's something in my room, I'm really scared. And I'm like, it's probably just animals. And she freaking scared me to death by saying animals do not talk. And I literally just, like, it was weird. I got scared shitless. No joke. Yeah, about 2 months after that, about a week later, we moved out. We bought a new house. Everything like that. No more ghosts, just a nice ghost like Casper. But yeah, that's really it. This was, if you guys liked this video, please make sure to leave a comment down below of your ghost. If you have a ghost story, leave it in the comment section below and tell me the story. And it'll probably be featured in the next video if you're lucky, if it's good enough. And, yeah, please like this video. It helps my channel a lot. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes of Black Ops 2 gameplay and stuff like that. Just to show you guys that it was a 27-7 gameplay. I'll actually skip it. So you guys can kind of see. I think this was it. Yeah, that's me. Okay, so I'll show you guys. I kind of spawn trapped for a little bit of the game. So I'll show you guys right here at the ending. It does show up. So yeah, leave your comments down below, and then you know, it can be featured in the next video. By the way, guys, I got 3 bloodthirsties in this game, which isn't really a lot. I'm trying to work on my gold PTW, because yeah, I know I had this game before. My account got deleted. I only created this account about 6 months ago, and I never really had Black Ops 2 until about a month ago. So I'll show you guys at the ending right here. And it is a 24 and 7. And by the way, guys, if you guys want to add me, tonight we can probably do an open lobby. If you guys want to add me, my name is Dark DSR 1080. I'll leave it in the description below. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out, guys.